How to turn on or turn off the dark mode on Keep Notes. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off the dark mode on Keep Notes easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to Google Keep Notes. This is the home page as you can see. Now go to the top corner right here and click on those three lines. Now all what you have to do is choose settings right here, and now click on theme right here, click on theme and choose dark right here. You have many options, you have the light, dark and set by battery saver. Choose the dark and here you go, it's on the dark mode, easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.